I think that God hates sin first and foremost because it is contrary to the good, and therefore to his very own nature. It is opposed fundamentally to God, and therefore is detestable in the same way that God is appetizing or delicious. God is the proper object of our desires, whereas sin, as opposed to God, is the exact opposite of what we ought to desire. It's detestable. But then I think also God detests sin because of its destructive consequences in the lives of those who do sin. Sin is not neutral. When we sin and alienate ourselves from God, we set ourselves on a path that ultimately leads to self-destruction if it is pursued relentlessly. And since God loves people, I think he hates that which will destroy them, as sin does. So it would follow that God would hate sin because of its destructive consequences in the lives of those who pursue it.